Good afternoon, everyone. I am Von Daligdig of DSAP Laguna chapter, and I am here to present to you our media report for 2024. In January, we had this online kapihan with Ma'am Gloria de Chavez, where she invited the members and presented the National Convention of DSAP for the year 2024. We had also a discussion regarding FDA new LTO for medical devices. Also in January, we held a membership drive for both online and on the ground. In February, we had this medical mission or Healing the Nation activity in Santa Rosa, Laguna. We gave several medicines, foods, and gifts to the community around that area. General Assembly has always been the most awaited activity in our chapter, where all members gather together to celebrate our founding anniversary. So please watch the next video.
DSAP Laguna chapter, are you ready? Wow! So isa pong pambihirang pagkakataon dahil tayo po ay nagkasama-sama muli para sa isang annual General Assembly at masaya kami na ang bawat isa po ay nakarating.
Before we formally kick off our much anticipated annual event, I want to thank anyone for coming this particular occasion. Okay? As in, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang support ang ginagawa niyo po sa DSAP.
This year's theme is a journey towards unity. Because for the 21 years of our chapter's existence, we have proven to the world and to the universe that we can succeed and triumph any challenges, adversities, and trials sa ating pagbubutika kung tayo ay sama-sama po bilang iisang chapter.
Kahit tapos na, ay magpapatuloy pa rin ang aming pagsisilbi sa inyo. So, ang akin lang po ay pasalamatan ko po kayo sa pagsuporta sa akin noong mga panahon na 3 taon na pag-stay ko dito sa DSAP as a president.
Leading by example is a powerful leadership approach that involves demonstrating the values, behaviors, and actions that you want others to emulate. Leading by example is an influential leadership approach that drives unity, success, and positive change. By embodying the values, behaviors, and actions they want to see in others, leaders inspire trust, foster accountability, and create a culture of excellence and collaborations that fuels organizational growth and achievement.
Withdrawals are all in accordance by our association guidelines, rules and regulation by the DSAP bylaws. You shall prescribe necessary rules and regulations for an orderly procedure of the business of the association.
na-achieve po na talagang magsama-sama po tayo ngayong araw pong ito.
All members, please hold your glasses.
Last April 2, we gathered in San Pablo, Laguna, where Dynadrag had its customer education caravan. And in April 17, sponsored by Unilab, we had a seminar regarding antimicrobial stewardship. It was done both online and face-to-face. And of course, also in April, we took home the most coveted trophy. During that night, bested several chapters. Also in April, we had this 8 days of summer tennis clinic where we taught kids and teenagers in UP Los Baños community on how to play tennis. May was also a productive month in our chapter as we held 3 activities. First of these activities was the tree planting with our team, Puno ang Kailangan, Hindi Aircon. Next was the digital training where we learned MSME social media, automation tools, and other business strategies. And last June 29, 2024, in Bai, Laguna, we invited Ma'am Ana Umali for our continuing education program for drugstore owners. Different insurance providers were also present that day. And again, I am Von Daligdig of Laguna Chapter. Thank you very much.
I can't believe